Hi, Sandra here. Thanks for joining me today. I have a card base here and this is basically going to be a concept card. So I'm giving you the file for the base and showing you what I've done. What I'm not doing is giving you all the added extras that you want to put on it. It's a design base for you to use as you wish. Now this is actually a step card, believe it or not. There we are. And for those of you who are familiar with step cards, they're quite often a little bit, well, boring maybe, square maybe, oval, but yeah, not overly interesting sometimes. So I decided to up the ante on this. So I wanted first of all to make sure that my step card would actually stay up, because quite often they do that, or they collapse in that direction. So to that effect, I've devised some struts. It's very, very simple. There are 4 struts, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. The front ones are shorter than the back ones. All you do is fold them in half, fold over about 1 centimetre at the end. And then all you need to do is to apply them at the outer edges like so. So you put double-sided tape under there, fold it in half, double-sided tape on there, fold your card up, and then when you open the card it will only be able to open that far, which means it can't fall down. Great, so that's one thing done. I've given it a nice decorative top up here simply because it looks pretty. And the other thing that I wanted to do was add extra oomph in the dimension field. Now you can just about see as I turn the card that these things are not flat, because these are spirals and you can pull them out, and I suggest you do pull them out. The idea with these is you decorate them with whatever elements suit your particular card, whether it's flowers, animals, handbags, shoes, whatever it is that you're doing. And then you can put some around that edge and you can put some in the middle and they will spring forward. Now if I show you this one, I've also included somewhere to put your sentiment, so that's an oval to stick on, and a strip along here in case you want to do a decor strip as well. I haven't included a sentiment because, well, you can choose your own. So that's it, my concept card. The file will be linked below. Use it, enjoy it, and adapt it. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.